Currency miners Web3 blockchain technology. Welcome to this video, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can be able to claim your major tokens to your budget. All right, so recently Major decided to add the claiming rewards button on their own platform so that you can be able to claim your own coins to your exchange, favorite exchange. All right, so let's try these steps and make sure we withdraw our own major tokens to our own favorite exchange, so that once they list it, we can be able to swap it for our own rewards as well. So follow this tutorial to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share for 5. Let's go. So first thing, you need to come right here, tap on claim reward. So as you can see, this is the task I performed on Major, right? So stars transaction, I did it. The turn transaction, I wasn't be able to complete it. I invited more than 10 people, and also I complete some tasks. Achievements, I don't have any of them. And also participation in games, I did. Squad creation, participation, I didn't. All right, so right now my final airdrop is just 17 majors, right? So this is the token they gave to me because I wasn't serious about it. So I'll just tap here. You can see your allocation as well. So let's select the exchange I'm going to transfer my on major tokens to. I can decide to choose in wallet, which is the Telegram wallet or Tone wallet. All right, so you can use non-custodial wallet or any crypto wallet. All right, so let's tap here and see what we can do. Right, I want to choose one of these wallets, these exchanges. So right now I'm in Nigeria and the OKX app is not available in our country. So what are we going to do? We are going to click the ones that are available so that we can be able to claim our rewards straightforward. The first thing I'll do is to come to budget, right? So I'll tap on budget, then I'll tap continue. Right, so let's go. Do you have a budget account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive major tokens. All right, if you don't have budget account, you can ask me for link. I'll show you how you can create that. So you can tap on here and create budget, or you can choose any of your choices below. All right, so this is the steps we are going to follow right now. I have my own budget account, so I'm going to click right here. Exchange is required to verify your identity before trading. We all know that. So if you don't know, in case, exchanges have to verify your own identity before you can trade, because they're not going to let you trade on their own platform without doing a KYC, which is not your customer verification. Then you start right here. You click on yes, I have it. So what are you going to do? You're going to copy your budget UID and paste it right here. Then copy the major deposit address and paste it right here. Then you click send. So let's try that. Let me just navigate to the budget interface so that I can show you guys how you can do it. Let's go. So once you come to your budget, the first thing you need to do is to click this upper left right here. You click on it and copy your own UID. All right, copy your UID. This is my UID right here. I'll just copy my UID. This is it. I'll just copy my UID. Once I copy my UID, I'll come back right quick and paste it on this major interface. So as you can see, network is giving me headache. So I have to minimize again and go back to copy the deposit address, right? So let me try and write down my UID. Then I can be able to quickly copy my address. Once I paste it, I'll just write my UID and complete these steps for you. Let's go. So guys, since I can minimize and copy my own UID and also the deposit address at the same time, what am I going to do right now is to copy my major deposit address on budget. Then I've just wrote down my own UID so that I can just input it and just continue with the tax as well. So let me come right here. You tap on add funds, come to deposit crypto, then search for majors. So this is it right here. As you can see, this suspended one is major points, but this one is the major token. So just click major. All right, copy the address. Once you copy the address, you minimize. Let's go back to my own Telegram. Let me go to my Telegram and re-enter all my details. All right, so let's go. Let's hold on a little bit. So in case your own went back like this, you come right here and click it. Click claim. Again, like I just did, you select your exchange. I want to use budget, so I'll just click on budget. Yes, I have the budget wallet. Then I'll just paste my UID. So if your network is worrying you, what you need to do is to write down your UID, make sure it's correct. Then you can now copy this your own major deposit address from Bidget. Once you copy it, the first thing you need to do is just to come right here and write the one you wrote down, then you just write it right here, then you paste and continue, as simple as that. So this is how I'm going to do my own because of my network issues. So let me just write my UID. I'll just write my UID. So let's go 4883. Then I'll just paste my deposit address right here. I copied it already, so let me just deposit it, put it right here, and let's go. So this is it right here. Check your data. You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive major. Budget UID deposit address. You may lose your tokens if this data is incorrect or your account is blocked. Make sure you pass the KYC. All right. Exchanges required to verify your identity. So if you're here to verify your KYC, use the exchange that is already verified, which like Bybit, OKX. All right. So I'm just using this one because all of them are verified. All right. So let's confirm. I confirm. So as you can see, deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listing on November 28th. Then I'll just say okay. Simple as that. Just complete my step, and as you can see right now, my own is flashing around display. So this is how to complete this updates. All right, so and wait for the listing on 28th of this month. Let's see what we are going to get. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like if you benefit from this video. Don't forget to share. I'll see you guys in the next video.